Welcome to my channel. To improve your English, pause the video after every sentence and repeat it.
Hi,
Hello.
what's your name?
My name is Alice. What's your name?
I'm Ben. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, cool. I'm from Italy.
I love Italy.
How old are you?
I'm 22. And you?
I'm 25.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher. You?
I'm a student.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, every day.
I like tea more.
That's nice.
What do you do in your free time?
I watch movies.
What kind of movies?
Action movies.
I like comedies.
Fine.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny.
Is it hot?
No, it's warm.
I love sunny days.
Me too.
Are you hungry?
Yes, a little.
What do you want to eat?
Maybe pizza.
I want pasta.
Let's eat both.
Do you like shopping?
Sometimes.
What do you buy?
Clothes and books.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, one brother.
I have 2 sisters.
That's nice.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love it.
Where do you want to go?
I want to visit Japan.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, a cat.
What's her name?
Luna, she's cute.
Do you use a smartphone?
Yes, every day.
What apps do you like?
Instagram and YouTube.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Are you late?
Yes, a little.
Hurry up!
I'm going now.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax and sleep.
Do you go out?
Sometimes.
I go to the park.
That sounds nice.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a chef.
Why?
I love cooking.
What's your favorite color?
Red, and you?
I like blue.
Nice.
Do you like music?
Yes, a lot.
What kind of music?
Pop and rock.
I like calm music.
That's relaxing.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play basketball.
Every day?
No, just on weekends.
I like football.
Cool.
What will you do tomorrow?
I will study.
All day?
No, just in the morning.
I will go out.
Have fun.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I do.
What do you study?
I study English.
That's great.
I want to speak better.
When is your birthday?
In May.
Do you have a party?
Yes, with friends.
I love birthday cake.
Me too.
Do you live in the city?
Yes, it's busy.
I live in a small town.
Is it quiet?
Very quiet. I like it.
That sounds peaceful.
What time do you sleep?
Around 11 p.m.
That's late.
I know. I watch videos at night.
I sleep at 10.
That's better.
I have to go now.
Okay, see you later.
Bye.
Bye-bye.